morning guys, and welcome by a new video. As you can see, I'm inside my car. The reason I'm in my car is because I'm about to pick up a cabinet I found on Marktplaats. That's like the Dutch Craigslist. I'm about to pick that up to put it in the shop so I can store all my sprays, all my lubes, all my air filters, the oil filters, all that stuff, so that's not in the way. So that's what I'm about to do now. I just picked up some food for on the road. Anyway, I'm about to pick that up. If I picked it up, I will check back in with ya. Okay, I just stopped by Ben's Cross Shop. Yep, there it is. I can zoom in more because I have a wide angle lens. I stopped for some oil, 2 cans of oil, and some oil for my air filter, so I can clean that one because I still didn't do it. What I'm gonna do now is trying to get it out of my van and put it here on that spot, and put all this crap, all that crap in the cabinet, so this gets a bit cleaned up. I think that's gonna be like a small issue to get the cabinet out of the van alone, because it's a bit, yeah, it's not that big, but wait, okay, yeah, now you're on the tripod. It's not that big, but it's too big for me alone, probably. Time lapse.
Stars fall like whispers on the velvet sky. Moonlight dances, shadows never shy. Time moves slow, but we don't question why. Each second we're entranced in cosmic tide. Mountains rise like ancient stories told. Rivers carve from pathways brave and bold. Everything, memory, truth unfolds. In nature's timeless grip we feel conscious.
When it says multi-purpose contact cleaner, it means multi-purpose. So gonna clean it with this a bit, and then it should be fine. That's pretty clean if you ask me. I don't think it will be this clean for long, but it doesn't matter. Nice. Okay, the way I'm gonna do this is we're gonna put all the sprays, the lubes, the oils at the bottom, and the reason for that is there is always a possibility it starts leaking, and if I'm gonna put it all the way on top, it starts dripping on all the other stuff. So that's my main reason why I'm gonna do it like that. Then I'm gonna put all my spare parts up here, like an extra chain or inner tube or something like that. I'm gonna put that here, and I'm gonna put all of my camera equipment that I'm gonna leave here up here, so that it's high and dry.
In the silence where you can't go wrong, ride the waves of time, they won't be long before you find your place where you belong. Alone. Every moment.
Okay, I think I have most of it in the cabinet, and let's see what I did. Okay, this is for cleaning your bike when you're gonna put a new decal set on it, make it clean, and some extra glue, multi-purpose cleaning stuff, brake cleaner in the back, W40, chain lube, silicone spray, that's for cleaning the bike, some oil for the engine. On the second row we have like the brushes for the chain. This is for the suspension, to clean it after riding Enduro. Some extra screws for the plastics, extra chain, the gloves and the straps, some copper rings, some rubber rings, stuff like that. The Timu grips, the proper grips, the inner tubes, and then we have like the log, screwdrivers and pencils, the how you want to call it, for the screws, some tapes, some stuff for GoPros, a microphone and stuff like that. So that looks pretty decent, and now it's still like a big mess under my workbench, so I'm gonna clean that up real quick, and then we're gonna get the baby cleaned up. Ugh. I hate this kind of stuff. I hate cleaning up and sorting things out, but it's part of it. So I just got a text from one of my friends in the group chat, and they found my new reel. Look at it. It's graphic, but if you want to see the reel, make sure to go to our Instagram. And yeah, take a look at it for yourself. I would say. Oh God. I just came to the conclusion that I forgot my GoPro bit on my helmet, so that means that I can't record while I'm on my bike. That's dumb. That's really dumb. But I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna put this on my bars, and I will put the camera on here and I will turn it around. But that's not like the point of view you're used of me. But we will work with it, and it should be all right. Hi. Okay, I hope the microphone works, but I'm not 100% sure. And if it doesn't work, you will never see this footage. Okay. This is tight. Okay. It's been a while. Oh, and it's pretty cold. Whew. It's been a while. then it's freezing. Freezing. Oh, I'm so cold. The winter is coming, so I need to think of that the next time I go to the shop. Because inside of the shop it was also pretty cold, but I stood my ground. But let me know what you prefer, what kind of videos, because do you like the shop videos where I do all kind of stuff, or do you just prefer the moto vlog where the only thing I do is like talk and just ride around a bit? So let me know what you prefer.
And with a bucket and a brush, I start my day. Supermoto shining, gonna pave my way. Dust and grime from all those rugged trails. Wipe it clean, they won't know my tails. Soap suds dance on the motor frame. Rinsing off the mud, now it's gleaming again. Sun reflects on chrome like a movie scene. Feel the breeze, now the road pristine. Ride and shine for the ride's begun. Feeling light as a bullet from a gun. Clean machine ready for the fun. Ride and shine, we'll chase the sun.
Okay, the lens didn't like the water that much, but okay. She's clean. I have to put the air filter back in and head home. What I'm gonna do next is clean my air filter, because that one is dirty for probably 2 months right now. I'm sorry. But that means that has to get cleaned. That's why I bought this. Get some oil in your air filter to get it dust and waterproof. But now okay, now it's time to put the Timo gloves to the real test, and that means getting them dirty. I thought I had a spare air filter, but I do not apparently. So that means that I have to get my old one. That's really bad. I'm sorry guys. Look how dirty that is. It's really bad. You put it in the bucket with the cleaning product and rinse it out like a few times. You have to get it real clean and rub it against each other to get all the dirt out of it. And be careful with your clothes, because I think when you get this chemical stuff on your clothes, you won't get it out, I think. Okay. Damn, that wasn't that smart. I actually had to do this one first in this oiling tube. Anyway, oh wait, I put that one back in there for a bit, and then yep, that were my goggles. Let's go. Okay, there is some dirt in this one, so I have to get that out first. The kids log, haha, I know how that shit works. I'm not a kid no more. Okay, oh, now I have to rinse that out again. And it said on the box, put it in, don't twist it, just rinse it, that most of it gets off, but if you twist it, all the oil will will get out, so that's not what you have to do. You have to put it in, just rinse it a bit and then let it dry for like 20 minutes, and then you will be able to put it back in, and then it does the best job. So I'm gonna just put it in. Ugh. It smells really good actually. Okay, we'll let it dry for 20 minutes right there. Get rid of that, clean it a bit, put it back in that one. Okay. Oh god, I almost made my Trump hat dirty. Don't think you can see it, but in the light you can. Multi-purpose contact cleaner, safe for plastics and stuff. So I'm gonna Yep, there it is. There, that one is clean. Wait, this way easier. That one is clean. Put it on the side. Grab some more paper towels. I'm gonna put y'all a bit closer to the bike. More like that. Okay. Put those cables a bit on the side. And then I will clean this. Don't spray too much right there, because you don't want some water or other fluids in your air intake, but you have to do it like enough to get it clean. So what I prefer is like on the paper towel, get all the edges good clean. You will always see a lot of dirt. Now I will clean the inside. Get some dirt off this one as well, because you will get dirty, as you can see right here. Okay, the air intake is now clean. That was timer. The air filter is dried up. So let's see how it looks. That looks pretty good, if you ask me. Now let's see. Line up the pins with the holes, and then put that one in there. So the pins into the holes, and then you have like a fresh air filter. Then it's all good. So now I'm gonna wrap this up here, head back home,